In today's video, I'm going to show you how to assign a specific operational role to an agent in Hermes Agent. First, open Hermes Agent and go to the main screen where you can access the Give Hermes a Task input box. To assign a role, start your prompt by clearly defining what role the agent should take on. For example, you can assign roles like Customer Support Assistant, Data Analyst, Social Media Manager, or Email Response Specialist. Next, describe the responsibilities of that role in detail. Explain what the agent should focus on, what tasks it should handle, and how it should behave when processing information. Then, include any rules or constraints the agent must follow, such as tone of voice, formatting style, or decision-making guidelines. Once you submit the prompt, Hermes will create an agent configured with that operational role and apply it consistently across all tasks you give it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.